Fáilte Gúrás, Feabhas Feabhra Eip. Welcome back to Feabhas Feabhra, everyone, and I'm going to show you some more ways that you can improve your Irish and some more ways you can speak more Irish in your daily life. Okay, so the first phrase we have here that you could use in the morning time or really at any point of the day: tea's made or coffee's made. I'm much more of a tea drinker, so I would use té. Tá an té déanta, tea's made. Nu tá an caife déanta, coffee's made. Okay, good bra. Right, in the middle of the day or at some point of the day, you're looking for something and you can't find it, and you say to somebody, where is such a thing? Bhfuil, where is? And I've used an or na. So an is the in the singular, na is the in the plural. And I've just given an example here. Bhfuil na heochracha, nu na heochracha, where are the keys? And you can respond like tá siad, they are. So like tá siad mards, they're on the table, or whatever. Or if you didn't know where something was, níl isagam, I don't know. Okay, evening time, or later on in the day, you want to say to someone, okay, what are we going to have for dinner? What will we have for dinner? Céard a bheidh againn dinnéar. Céard a bheidh againn dinnéar. What are we going to have for dinner? Obviously, you can swap out céard and put in cad if that's what you're more used to using. So yeah, cad nu céard a bheidh againn dinnéar. What are we going to have for dinner? Mátá si begúra níos mó gaige olam, leannig mar na man ho síalta agus fecha me sa géadaí sin eile si bhchairte, slán go fólín.